place if you want to go back.
Okay.
All right, ready?
We're so ghetto.
All right.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Spider-Man. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, you have to make a wish. Make a wish.
Make a wish.
You have to say it out loud. No, I'm just kidding.
No.
Yeah, you blew up the match.
Yay, now your wishes aren't gonna come
Yeah. Woo.
true. They burn with that candle. Alright, now, eat it.
Don't shove her face in it. That's
Oh, wow.
crucial.
We're not gonna shove her face in there. We're gonna shove
Shove
that
it in there,
her
Liz.
face.
Shove it in there.
Don't. I'm scared.
There won't be
now.
any basing of the shoving this.
No.
I can promise you I won't do it.
I won't do it.
I made
I
him
know.
promise. This one, quítate, go away.
Xavier, no.
Alright,
she
you
put
can
it
hold
in
me.
it.
See, oh, no.
Oh, that's horrible.
Remember we
Let's
did
see,
that
we gotta
with
see
you?
what kind of cake thing are they? They are
Spideys.
Spider-Man. But I'm gonna like flip it.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Does whatever a spider can.
Dude, why do you have your balls on the fucking cupcakes?
Oh, sorry. I claimed that one. Where's the Valentina?
Claim the one next
Where's
to
the Valentina, hombre? What?
That's how you're gonna be like Lena and put Valentina on her cup.
He has some up your nose, by the way.
It's like right there
Yeah,
on
it's
the
like-
left nostril right there.
It's some all over there.
Here's all.
Oh damn.
Kick his ass.
Oh.
It's your birthday.
That's fighting version.
Hey, Zoom doesn't work on here with the thingy.
No.
Yeah.
It's my party. I can cry if I want to cry.
No, it's kind of gone, but you got some on your upper.
Now film the work.
You would
Film the
cry
work.
Film the
too.
war. Yeah.
Oh,
Film
Kyle
your
was
nipple.
here. Kyle's here. He could have.
Film your third nipple.
No, I'm not gonna film my third nipple. I'm
Film
gonna
my
film
crooked nipples.
nothing. It's ringing.
Yeah, I think that rings.
Your butt's ringing.
Pretty sweet.
Okay. I think
Hello?
your birthday's over.
What's up, nigga?
Who is it?
Don't worry about it. Shit, it's my nigga.
Hello?
Which one? There's a lot of niggas you have.
Your birthday's still
I don't
over.
think it's okay.
Hello?
No, seriously, where's the Valentina?
Hello?